Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, we're at home, and it's not quite so bad out today. It felt a little balmy. I think it was like 17 degrees, so we're getting there.
It's getting up there.
Yeah. So today we're I'm cooking with Becky, because you guys keep requesting it, garlic beef noodle bowl. So, what you're going to need for garlic beef noodle bowls is skirt steak, green onions, brown sugar, any kind of noodles you want, lo mein, whatever. I bought these rice noodles. I'm not actually sure how these are going to work because we won't try them, but we'll see. Ginger, garlic, sesame oil, sesame seeds, soy sauce, olive oil. And that's all you need.
All right.
So I'm going to start by turning on my water and chop it, and we're going to slice this skirt steak up thinly. Oh.
Look at that.
Okay, so this has got like this layer of fat on here that I'm going to trim off as gross. That might be okay.
Watch that thumb.
As much as you can, I guess.
I think Fiona wants you to drop some fat.
I'm sure she does. Alright, that's pretty good.
That's something that you guys don't normally see, is when we're filming all these things, Fiona is usually right there.
Yeah.
Aren't you, Fifi? Yeah.
Alright, slice it thin.
As thin as you can, huh?
Yeah. And then quite as... That's...
About not a little less than 1/4 of an inch thick.
Fiona's on my leg. Beefy, stop begging.
It's not even cooked meat yet.
She just... What do you think they do in the wild?
I
They don't
know.
cook their meat.
Chihuahua in the wild.
They like their... I think Chihuahuas are rat dogs. I think they... This is like a skirt steak tri-tip, or they also called it carne asada meat. So, heat up our pan, high heat, olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Let that heat up, and then we're going to put our meat in.
And there's all of our meat cut.
Meat.
All right.
Meat cut, no fingers cut.
That's the way to do it.
That is. All right, let's put our meat in. This is a really, really, really quick meal. Okay, so while that's cooking up, we are going to take a 1/4 cup. I'm going to take our bowl here. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. First, let me get some salt on the meat.
just got those.
I just got these. Aren't these cute?
Pinch and dash.
Now we can get rid of the icky old bowl. All right, brown sugar, 2 tablespoons. One. Four cloves of garlic, so that's quite a bit of garlic here. That's roughly 4 cloves. 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're gonna mix this all up. Okay, now let's flip our meat. Okay, keep that a-cooking. Chop up some green onions. There you go, green onions. That's for garnish.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna cook this meat, and we're gonna boil our water, and we'll be back in a minute. I'm only using half
Okay.
of the package. Our water is boiling. Salted. Woo! And here we go. That's got to go on for, it says 6 to 8 minutes, so we'll do 7.
All right. So we'll see you in about 6 or 7 minutes, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, about that.
Okay. Whoa.
Wait, he's not filming yet.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, the noodles are done. So we're going to take our sauce and we're going to put over, settle just a little bit. Put our sauce over our meat.
Just turn up the heat a little bit.
Yeah, because I had turned it down because nothing was cooking and the water took forever to boil for some stupid reason. Alright, now we're going to take our noodles.
Those.
Mix everything all up. I was going to make these with the Trader Joe's scallion pancakes, but Trader Joe's scallion pancakes are not available.
Which is a big bummer.
It really is.
Those are one of our favorite things.
I'm going to tell everyone right now, next time I make this dish, I will not be using rice noodles.
No?
These look kind of mushy.
Okay. What would you use instead?
Probably, I'll find some lo mein noodles.
There we go.
Alright.
Smells good, I can tell you that.
Just trying to get everything all mixed up. Alright. And then we are going to take our green onions. And we're going to take... I didn't open this. Once again, nothing you ever see on a cooking show. And we're going to take some sesame seeds and we're going to... And there you have it, folks. Garlic beef bowl.
Fantastic.
Okay, so that's garlic beef noodles. If you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. And if you need our P.O. box for any reason, it's written down below along with the recipe. And we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Elephants. Bye.
Come here, Vic, or Em. Look who you never see anymore. She just got home from work.
Yesterday I called Emerson my little chick and she said she wasn't my chick, she was a hen.
Yeah,
Now
my own hen.
she's her own hen. But she's still my chick.